Charleston, South Carolina, with its cobblestone streets, pastel-colored row houses, and centuries-old history, is one of the most charming and romantic cities in America. Whether you're visiting for a weekend getaway, a romantic escape, or a cultural exploration, Charleston offers a mix of luxury and southern charm that doesn't have to break the bank. For under $1,000, you can enjoy the best this coastal city has to offer: elegant accommodations, unforgettable experiences, and gourmet dining, all while embracing the city's welcoming spirit. Here's how to enjoy a lavish weekend in Charleston on a budget, with tips on where to stay, what to do, and how to experience the city's historical charm and vibrant culture without overspending. Today we will talk about a lavish weekend in Charleston for under $1,000. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Where to stay for a luxe feel at mid-range prices. Charleston is home to a variety of boutique hotels, historic inns, and charming bed and breakfasts that exude elegance and southern charm. Staying in a central location means you're within walking distance of most major attractions and can soak up the charm of the historic district. The Fulton Lane Inn is one of the best options for a luxurious yet affordable stay. Located in the heart of the historic district, this boutique inn combines southern charm with modern comforts. The rooms feature exposed brick walls, plush bedding, and antique furniture, and prices typically range from $150 to $250 per night. The inn is known for its welcoming ambience, complete with complimentary wine and cheese in the afternoons, which adds a touch of luxury to your stay. The Bofan House, another excellent mid-range option, offers an upscale experience in a historic home. This property, with its beautifully appointed rooms, elegant furnishings, and close proximity to the Battery and Waterfront Park, typically costs between $200 and $300 per night. The romantic atmosphere makes it perfect for couples, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time while still enjoying modern conveniences. For those looking for something a bit more stylish, the Vendue is Charleston's art hotel, located right by the waterfront. It combines contemporary art with classic southern elegance and offers a rooftop bar with panoramic views of the city. Rates at the Vendue generally hover around $250 per night, and the property's atmosphere and art-filled rooms will give you the feeling of a high-end experience without the hefty price tag. Airbnb offers an abundance of beautiful options too. A charming apartment in a historic building or a quaint carriage house near King Street can often be found for under $200 a night. Many rentals feature gorgeous interiors, courtyards, or even rooftop decks with stunning city views, adding a local touch to your Charleston experience. Horse carriage rides, fine dining, and historical tours. Charleston is brimming with history, and no visit would be complete without experiencing it firsthand. The horse-drawn carriage tours are a quintessential Charleston experience, offering an intimate way to explore the historic district. These guided tours take you past beautifully restored homes, ancient churches, and lush gardens, while your knowledgeable guide shares fascinating tales of Charleston's storied past. Tickets for a 90-minute carriage ride typically cost around $30 per person, making it a reasonably priced way to dive into the city's rich history. For history lovers, the Charleston City Market offers a great opportunity to explore the city's unique culture, as well as purchase local handmade crafts. You can spend a couple of hours here browsing the stalls, selling Sweetgrass baskets, hand-blown glass, and regional art, all while soaking in the atmosphere of the city's vibrant history. If you have more time, a visit to Fort Sumter National Monument, where the first shots of the Civil War were fired, is a must. You can take a ferry out to the fort for about $30 per person, which includes a guided tour that explains the significance of this historic site. For a more refined, luxurious touch, consider dining at Husk, one of Charleston's most celebrated restaurants. Known for its focus on Southern cuisine made with locally sourced ingredients, Husk offers a true taste of the South with dishes like shrimp and grits, fried green tomatoes, and perfectly cooked meats. Entrees typically range from $20 to $40, so while it's not a bargain, it's well worth the splurge. The ambiance and innovative dishes make for an unforgettable culinary experience. Alternatively, Fig is a more casual fine dining experience that remains a favorite of both locals and tourists. With a menu based on seasonal and locally sourced ingredients, you can indulge in dishes like pan-seared fish or roasted meats for about $30 to $45 per entree. Waterfront views and romantic vibes. Charleston is known for its beautiful waterfront, and there are many ways to enjoy the stunning scenery without paying a premium for the experience. Waterfront Park, with its iconic fountain and swings overlooking the harbor, is an ideal spot to relax and take in the view, and it's completely free to visit. Take a leisurely stroll along the park's scenic walkways, or sit by the water and enjoy the breeze. For a romantic evening, a sunset boat tour is the perfect way to end your day. Companies like Charleston Harbor Tours offer boat rides around the harbor, past Fort Sumter, and the beautiful waterfront mansions of the Battery. Prices for these tours typically range from $30 to $50 per person, and the peaceful views as the sun sets over the harbor are absolutely priceless. Another romantic spot is the Battery Promenade, a long stretch along the southern tip of the city where you can watch the sun set over the water, enjoy the picturesque views of antebellum homes, and listen to the sound of the waves against the shore. It's a peaceful and intimate setting that doesn't require any purchase, just your time and admiration of the surroundings. Local shopping, sweet tea, and southern charm. No trip to Charleston is complete without indulging in a little southern shopping and sampling some local delicacies. Charleston is filled with charming boutiques, antique shops, and local artisans selling unique goods. Start your shopping adventure at King Street, where you'll find a mix of high-end retailers, unique boutiques, and antique stores. Krogan's Jewel Box is a locally owned gem specializing in custom-made jewelry and unique antique pieces, perfect for a keepsake of your trip. For clothing and home decor, the Charleston Tea Garden offers a variety of locally crafted items, as well as, you guessed it, some of the best tea blends around. You can even take a free tour of the garden and learn about Charleston's tea growing history. Don't forget to visit Market Street for Sweetgrass baskets, a traditional Charleston craft. The Sweetgrass baskets, woven by hand by Gula artisans, are a symbol of Charleston's rich African heritage and make for beautiful, meaningful souvenirs. When it comes to food, no southern city would be complete without sweet tea, and Charleston is no exception. A cup of sweet tea at one of the local cafes, such as Callie's Hot Little Biscuit or the Brown Dog Deli, is a must. Pair it with a classic Charleston biscuit, stuffed with sausage, fried chicken, or shrimp for the full southern experience. The Charleston Grill also offers a beautiful setting for traditional southern dishes with a fine dining twist. For a more budget-friendly experience, head to Fleet Landing, a casual seafood restaurant on the waterfront, where you can sample local oysters, shrimp po' boys, and crab cakes, all with a beautiful view of the harbor. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.